Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Financeable. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up to your Coinmetro account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you do that, just go to your default browser and search Coinmetro sign up. After you make search, you'll find Coinmetro on the top of your search list. Just click here. As you can see, you are already redirected to the official page of Coinmetro. You just want to look on the top right corner of your screen, you'll find sign up. Just click here. You can either create your personal account or your business account. You simply have to enter your credential that includes your email and your password. You can also sign up with your Facebook or with your Gmail account. Just click on this check button to agree the terms and conditions. After entering all the credentials, you just simply have to click on this button to create your account. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time.